Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Alma, and if you're returning, what's up? Y'all are the OGs. For today's video, I'll be giving y'all an honest review of Miss Fenty's new Hydrating Longwear concealers. If you don't know, Fenty Beauty just came out with a new Hydrating Longwear concealer. This concealer is set to help with hiding puffiness and dark circles. It is supposed to melt into the skin, help to rehydrate and brighten the skin. And it is available in 50 shades, y'all. I just love a good shade range. And that is one thing that Miss Fenty always does. Miss Fenty sent me a PR package, and so I didn't have to buy it with my own money. Thank you to Fenty Beauty for sending me this PR package so I can try their new concealers. The PR package came with 3 different shades of their new longwear concealer, the Eaze Drop Blaring Skin Tint, which I have been meaning to try. I have gotten shade match for it, so I knew exactly what my shade was, but I just haven't purchased it myself. I've seen it go viral on TikTok. I've seen the makeup girlies using it, and so I'm finally gonna get to try it. I'm so excited. And the Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder, which I have also heard such good things about, but once again, I haven't tried it myself, and so I'm finally gonna get to try it. And the Rich Peptide Eye Cream and the Makeup Sponge Duo. Like, look at how cute this packaging is, y'all. With Miss Riri looking as glamorous and as gorgeous as ever. We're gonna try these products. I am so excited, and I'm gonna give y'all an honest review of what I think about the new concealer and if you should get it or if you should not get it. We're gonna check to see if it's crease resistant. We're gonna check to see if it is hydrating, if it gives off a natural finish. We're gonna test all that. So let's just dive right into the video. First up, we're gonna do the brows. And I'm gonna do the brows off camera because it takes way too much time and I'm not filming all of that. So if y'all wanna see a video of how I do my eyebrows, let me know in the comment section and I will film a detailed tutorial of how I do my eyebrows. But I'll see y'all in a second. I'm just going in with my primer. You definitely do not want to forget primer. And I like to do my brows before I prime just because I don't want the product to interfere with the brow glue. I think it makes it harder for the brow glue to work when I do my primer first. So I just like to do my brows before applying any other products to my face. Now that my face is primed, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Eaze Drop Blaring Skin Tint. This is in the shade 21. I think this is my shade. I went into the store and I got shade match when this initially got released, and I think 21 was my closest shade. I feel like I was kind of in between 21 and 22, but let's see if that's still the case. This is the moment of truth, y'all. Let's get this hair out of the face. Okay, y'all. Let's blend it. Okay. So icy, yeah. Boy, keep me making all this money. Every time I'm making all this money, you know, steady, yeah. Many of them looking at me, many of them trying to be me. It is very lightweight, I would say that. It feels like there's nothing on my face. And very easy to blend. Just melting into my skin. Okay, what do y'all think about this shade match? Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. Do you think this is my shade? Have y'all been hearing the discourse about Gen Z aging like milk? I feel like I agree. But also, I'm black, so I don't think it really applies to me because black don't crack. But I do think a lot of the people who are younger than me be looking older than me these days. Like, I see 16-year-olds and 18-year-olds who look like they're 24. And I feel like if I don't have makeup on and I have my natural hair out, I look like a 16-year-old. I don't know. Do I look older than my age? Just for reference, I am 23 and I turned 24 this year. So do I look like I'm 23, 24? Do I look younger? Or do I look older? Please don't say older because I might cry. Now, moment of truth. Now it is time to try these concealers. So I got 430W, 445N, and 450N. I'm just gonna swatch them just so I can see what they look like, because obviously I just had to kind of guess what my shade would be. So let's swatch it and see. This is 450N, this is 445N, and this is 430W. So this is from darkest to lightest. I'm gonna start off with the one closest to my skin tone. We're gonna start off with 450N. Just also, I love this applicator. I'm gonna zoom y'all in so we can get up close and personal. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with the 430W for the rest of my face. I love this applicator. No, me no them keep it on aching. Boy making cash, me no them wanna beat me. Eyes on my neck now looking so trippy. Boy making cash, yeah, but look so icy, yeah. Boy keep me making all this. I wanna make sure to blend out the creases. Me, they won't try and walk me. Everything is a blessing. Every message that I see, yeah. That blended really effortlessly. And now I'm gonna go over that with the 430W. Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate coco, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Okay, we're gonna let that sit for a bit and then we're gonna blend it out. First, spray everything with some setting spray. Fully blend. Okay, it is blending really nicely.
Pristine sound.
Okay, I'm liking how it is blending so far. It's blending like butter, just like butter, just melting right into my skin. I like that it doesn't feel dry, so I see what they say by hydrating. I see that, I feel that. If you're new here, I like a bright under eye, so get with the program, but trust the process. Just gonna go in with my foundation brush to kind of get rid of any harsh lines. Okay, y'all, now let's set everything. I love this powder so much. Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. Mama chocolate coco, Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. I'm sorry, did y'all see that? Mama getting loco, Mama getting loose. I'm kind of lazy today, so I'm just gonna do powder bronzer. I'm tired. And now we're just gonna go in with our powder bronzer. I usually do cream bronzer before, but today because I'm mainly reviewing the concealer, I'm just gonna not do too much. Making all this money in a steady, yeah. Many of them look
looking at me. Make them tryna be me, they won't try and walk me. Everything is a blessing, every message that I see, yeah. Body and I do.
Yeah, one thing I'm gonna do is put bronzer on my eyelids. I'm gonna do it every single time. Like, I'm not doing an elaborate eyeshadow look. Oh yeah, this bronzer is going in the eyelids. Going in with the face powder closer to the shade of my face. Ooh, y'all seen this? Now for blush. I'm a blush girly, so I'm always gonna add more blush. I'm just gonna go in with my setting spray to set everything. Time for lips. I just love where I'm at currently in my content creator journey. I'm just at a good place where I love the content I'm making. I am enjoying the process. I'm not stressed about getting a specific number of views. I'm not stressed about followers. I'm just really enjoying making content and teaching people stuff and showing people stuff. And I just love that for me.
Mama don't need bad energy. Please don't go bad, yo. Mama don't need bad energy. Mama getting loco, mama getting loose. Mama chocolate cocoa.
This is the final result. I'm gonna give y'all my overall thoughts about this new concealer. One, great shade range, 50 shades. I love that. It is hydrating. It feels really light on my skin. It just kind of melted right into my skin. And it doesn't feel cakey. It just feels like I'm not wearing concealer. So I love that about it. And it just blends really well with all my other makeup products. As y'all saw, like it looks good. What I did not like though was how easily it creased. I know they did say that it is crease resistant. So they said medium coverage, check. Natural finish, check. Crease resistant, not check. Hydrating, check. Brightening, check. So I think I'm fair to give it a 7 or 7.5 out of 10 just because it was not crease resistant. However, I do want to give it another try. So I'm going to use it in the future just to see how it wears over time. And I'm also going to try some crease proof techniques with it just to see if that helps it to crease less. But those are my overall thoughts about this concealer. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it because it is hydrating. It feels really light on the skin and doesn't feel cakey. Is it my favorite concealer? No. Does it replace my top concealers? No. Will I still use it? Yes, but I definitely would make sure to use some crease proof techniques just so that it doesn't crease as easily. I mean, 7.57 is not a poor rating. I think it's just not two-faced. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. If you enjoyed today's video and you learned something and you want to see more of my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and join the family. If you have any questions or want to see a specific review or video from me, please let me know in the comment section and I'll make sure to reply your comment as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be back with more videos.